Hey, it's Dr. Max here today at Hyperbaric Dr. Max Restoration Center, and we're in the middle of doing a little bit unusual procedure. So our patient traveled from Canada approximately a month ago to have a large procedure. We did over 1,400 grafts harvested and implanted on the same day. Typically, if we have one procedure, we have to wait at least 6 to 12 months to have a second procedure. But because patient was willing to stay in the area and continue with 3 times per week hyperbaric treatments, after we finish 1 week of hyperbaric treatments following the first procedure, we continued every week for 4 weeks, 3 treatments every other day, and the donor area recovered completely. We saved pretty much the entire year to have a second procedure done. Both right and left temples are a little bit thinner than the rest. So I decided to not harvest anything at all from this area. And instead, I was concentrating on more occipital part where the density is much more robust. So the plan is to get at least 1,500 grafts harvested safely without over harvesting. This is the most important thing, and this is why I use this high power microscope, as you can see in this video, to ensure the highest precision. Each graft has to be targeted precisely and adjusted the angle and the directionality of the punch. Thanks to the power of hyperbaric oxygen medicine, we're able to change a little bit of standard of care. Of course, not everyone can do it, but this is kind of to show what is the capacity or what other possibilities that we can utilize with hyperbaric medicine.